Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel 100 Ideas. Rustic landscaping combines the simplicity and charm of nature. How to translate your creative ideas into reality, how to arrange your garden plots in the correct way will be discussed in this video. First, you need to decide what the rustic style is. Its most important distinguishing feature is a certain negligence, which manifests itself in every detail of the design. Unlike sophisticated French lawns, rustic plots don't have to be perfect. All plants and flowers grow naturally, and the owners do not need to constantly trim the heights of the bushes. Exquisite decorative flowers are combined in the same area with wild plants, and it looks quite organic. The only thing that should definitely be abandoned is the use of exotic flowers, which look completely unnatural on such simple flower beds. But you can use not only decorative trees and bushes, but also fruit or berry trees to decorate your side. This means that you will get twice as much pleasure from your side, because you can not only admire the beautiful nature, but also harvest ripe fruits and berries when the time comes. A summer cottage in this style is designed by those who have neither the time nor the desire to tinker with the garden. It will be enough for you to plant beautiful flowers, break a small pond, and you can enjoy the beauty of your site at any time of the year without spending a lot of time caring for it. How to divide a plot into zones? The landscape of a rural courtyard should not be clearly divided into separate squares. All parts of the site merge together, smoothly flowing into each other, but all the same, a certain conditional division into zones must be present. Typically, designers distinguish four main areas. The first zone is the entrance. Looking at it, guests make the first impression of your garden plot. Therefore, they always try to make it as attractive as possible. To decorate this territory, statues are used. Small flower beds can be located near the entrance. The second zone is the economic part. Since at their summer cottage, many not only rest but also do gardening, you need to store the things intended for this somewhere. It is for this that the economic zones is allotted. Next to it there is a gardening area where you can grow both low ornamental shrubs and delicious fruits or vegetables that your family can enjoy in the cold season. Of course, in each site there should be a recreation area, even if it is a very small. If there is enough space, you can put up a gazebo or equip a dining area under a canopy. Otherwise, you can get by with a small wicker rocking chair or a sofa. The main elements of the exterior. A beautiful rustic-style private plot is what we associate with childhood. Most of these sites have common elements that are used constantly. Vegetation. If you decide to buy a house outside the city or build it from scratch, then you like being in nature surrounded by all kinds of trees and flowers. Therefore, there must be at least some kind of vegetation on the plot next to the house. The most natural trees for our latitudes are apple, cherry, or pear. Scarlet and pink mallows, sunny yellow sunflowers planted next to the house can add additional charm to the courtyard. As a rule, when decorating plots, designers try to do everything in such a way that the garden blooms from spring to late autumn. For this, flowers are selected that bloom at different times of the year. Vegetable garden. If the word vegetable garden is associated with dirty beds with potatoes and beets, then you should familiarize yourself with design ideas in which small vegetable gardens are successfully combined with a flower bed. Such a decorative garden, vegetable garden, decorated with a low wicker fence and clay figurines, looks charming in the courtyard in the village. In small garden beds, plants such as dill, carrots, or salad look beautiful. You can diversify the contents of the flower bed with edible flowers, for example, daylily pots. Decor. Rustic simplicity does not mean a complete lack of decor. To decor your site, you can safely use all kinds of wicker baskets with flowers, as well as functional things. For example, it could be a cart or bench. If you have a fairly spacious yard, then you can even place a small decorative well near the house. Additionally, you can decorate the fence and garden paths. Stones or gravel the path for a more aesthetically pleasing look. As for the fence, you can choose a low woven style wooden fence or a wicker fence. Flowers woven into rattan, clay jugs, and hanging decorative elements will look beautiful on it. Garden furniture. In order to equip a recreation area, you will also need furniture that matches the style. It is even possible to make it with your own hands from simple materials. For a country-style summer cottage, wicker chairs and tables, carved wooden benches, or something similar are ideal. It is quite possible to get by even with simple, uncoated hemp that will replace your chairs. If you plan to install a gazebo in your yard, then it is best to give a preference to a construction made of natural wood or beams. The wood can be left untreated. This will feed into the overall concept. Or conversely, you can decorate the beams and walls of the gazebo with decorative carvings or paintings. A small reservoir will not be superfluous in the summer cottage. A pond with clear water or a mini lake surrounded by low bushes will definitely not spoil the appearance of the site. If you do not have room to place a full-fledged pond there, then you can limit yourself to a small well or even fill a barrel or trough surrounded by flowers with water. In addition to these basic exterior details, you can use others. The main thing is to select the simplest elements that do not spoil the overall impression. We hope this video was useful to you. Like it, write your comments and subscribe to our channel.